Problem number 11. What they are saying? The solution of dy by dx equal to y square with initial condition they have given bounded in the interval, which is bounded in the interval. How to do? No need to find worry with these options. They will get easily. But you will just solve according to our procedure. Dy by dx is equal to y square. So what I can write? Dy by y square. So y terms one side is equal to dx, x terms other side. Apply integration plus c. Same procedure. Okay, integration, this will become what? Now you people will be saying this thing directly, no? Minus 1 by y I can write. You can just do by using y raised to power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. So this is x plus c. So I am getting this thing, but apply the condition y of 0 equal to 1. When y of 0, that is y of 0 equal to 1 means what? X equal to 0 at y equal to 1. X is 0 at y equal to 1 minus 1. X is 0 at y equal to 1. So c value is how much? Minus 1. Substitute here again. Minus 1 by y is equal to x minus 1. So what I can write? Minus 1 by y is equal to x plus equal to 1. Y equal to I can write minus 1 by x minus 1. So this is the thing I am getting. If you check here, x can be any value in between minus infinity to infinity. If I substitute 1 here, minus 1 by 1 minus 1, that will become 1 by 0. You don't get solution. So x should not have value from minus infinity to infinity, because in minus infinity to infinity there is 1 also. So this option cannot be the correct answer. Here minus infinity to 1. Okay, if they have said less than 1, that is fine, but they have said less than or equal to 1. If I substitute again 1, we won't get any solution. Then see this thing, minus 2 to 2, you can substitute any value, then it will have some solution. No, because in between minus 2 to 2 again there is 1. But this can be the option. Why? Because x is less than 1. If I substitute some value less than 1, I will get some solution. If I substitute some value greater than 1, then also I will get some solution. So option C is correct. Okay, let us solve problem number 12. What is problem number 12? What they are saying? Problem number 12. Consider the differential equation dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square into x. So you have to consider that equation and general solution for this equation you have to find out. So what is general solution? Problem number 12. Let us solve problem number 12. What they are saying? Consider the equation dy by dx is equal to 1 plus y square into x. So I can separate them out. 1 plus y square is equal to x into dx. So I have separated x and y. Integration, apply integration on both sides. Then this thing can be written as tan inverse of y, and integration of x is x square by 2 plus c. I want y, so I will get tan of x square by 2 plus c. Which option is correct? Option D is correct. Okay, next problem number 13. What they are saying? dy by dx is equal to ky. Y of 0 equal to c. That means from there you can find out value of c. So dy by y I can write. K dx I will keep like this only. Apply integration plus c. Same procedure. So this will be ln of y is equal to kt plus c. Apply the given boundary condition. Y of 0 equal to c. That means at x equal to 0, y value is c. This will be ln of c is equal to, what does it mean? It is like kt, t, that is t. So that will be 0 plus c. This is x, kx plus c. So substitute x, that will be c is ln of c. C value is ln of c. So substitute in the above equation. Ln of y is equal to kx plus ln of c. So I'll just send this thing that side, and that will become ln of y by c, because ln of y minus ln of c is ln of y by c is equal to kx. So what you are going to get? I'll send this ln that side. So y is equal to c into e raised to power kx. Y equal to c into e raised to power kx. Option D is correct. Then what they are saying? Problem number 14. Read the problem. Problem number 14, they have given like, consider the differential equation, consider the second order linear equation, the boundary conditions. Okay, this is very easy problem actually. So problem number 14, how you can solve problem number 14 is, like d square y by dx square. No need to worry by seeing d square y by dx square. If you could able to separate x and y, then it is fine. So I can write d square y, that is y terms all one side. Then this is plus 24x minus 20 into dx. So d square x, y terms one side, x terms other side. Apply integration plus c. Okay, plus this is we will do. Okay, then what is the thing you are going to get? Integration of 1 dy. First time integration I am doing, so I will get y dy is equal to, this will be minus 12x cube by 3 plus 24x square by 2 minus 20x into dx. Now again apply integration. What will happen now? This will be y square by 2 equal to, this is 3 4s are, so 4 into minus 4x raised to power 4 plus 12x cube by 3 minus 20x square by 2. Here you will be having c1 also. Okay, now you will get c2x plus c1x plus c2. Okay, apply the boundary conditions like at x equal to 0 y is 5, at x equal to 2 y is 21. Okay, apply those boundary conditions. After applying boundary conditions, what will happen? Okay, you will get the values of c1 and c2 directly. You will get the values of c1 and c2 directly. So after substituting, I am giving you the values of c1 and c2 directly. So c1 value, after substituting, I am getting c1 value as 20 and c2 value as 5. So final value they are asking, what is the value of y at x equal to 1. So first find the equation of y. What is the value of y? If you substitute at x equal to 1, the value of y you are getting as 18. Okay, you just solve, you will get it as 18. Okay, here you have to substitute 18. Let us solve one more problem. Problem number 15. Okay, they have given a, b, c, d and you have to match. First thing is what? dy by dx equal to y by x. So I can separate them out. That thing I can write is here, dy by y equal to dx by x. Then apply integration, I will get ln of y is equal to ln of x plus I can write ln of c also. C, while writing c you can write ln of c also, both are same. So y is equal to cx. Tell me y equal to mx, which equation? Straight line equation. So a tends to 2. Then question number b, question number b option, question number a we have done. Question number b, dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Again I can send this thing there, dy by minus y equal to x dx by x. I can write it as minus ln of y equal to ln of x plus ln of c. Keep minus here, that will be easy. Okay, so minus, send this thing here, that will be xy equal to c. Xy equal to c is hyperbolas. So hyperbola b3. Check a2 b3, which options? a2 b3, a2 b1, no, a2 no. So option a is correct. You can also do other things and you can find what is the correct equation. You should get c as 3, that means c should be hyperbola and d should be circle. You just do and find them out. We will stop here. Thank you.